Drones are changing the battlefield, and it's terrifying. Plus, the threat isn't just overseas anymore. Now, an Austin company is fighting back with a weapon that picks them out of the sky. It's called Bullfrog. Check this out. This is a drone killer. It's called Bullfrog, built by Austin's Allen Control Systems.
The Bullfrog basically does a full kill chain solution where it detects threats, identifies what they are, and then tracks them with the software and engages them.
Bullfrog uses artificial intelligence, robotics, and computer vision to take down one of the fastest growing threats in modern warfare.
We're trying to do a layered defense, so Bullfrog's one part of that layer.
Steve Simone is the co-founder and president of ACS.
Drones have completely changed the battlefield, and it's just getting started. I think we're still underestimating the threat as a country. You're seeing in Ukraine this play out. I think 80% of all casualties are from drones.
The war in Ukraine has become a test lab for drone warfare. Cheap, fast, and deadly. ACS is meeting that threat head on.
So what we're using here is a standard M240 Bravo.
But what makes Bullfrog different isn't the gun, it's the AI brain controlling it.
You have IR cameras, EO cameras, and a laser rangefinder. Once I get a target into frame, I put a laser onto that target. I can now measure it inside of my camera.
In seconds, it calculates size, speed, and distance, then predicts where it will be in space.
So understanding that predictive analysis is what allows us to overlay a ballistic profile onto that target and take things out of the sky.
What we do differently, because we're now moving to an autonomous system, is the operator stays completely focused on mission all the time. There's a target, there's a target, there's a target, there's a target.
And ACS CEO Michael Wires says the threat isn't just overseas.
The drone threat is massive. It's ubiquitous. We really need to start thinking in terms of critical infrastructure.
Protecting places like power plants, oil refineries, airports, even stadiums. Bullfrog is also designed to be mobile, while its aim stays locked.
So Bullfrog is one of the few technologies that can also work on the move and in sea states.
Whether it's on a truck, ship, or soon to be an aircraft, Bullfrog can be deployed to defend against drone swarms almost anywhere. As the world enters a new era of drone warfare, ACS innovation built here in Austin is helping write the playbook for how to stop it.